In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a post on the WP Travel Engine in WordPress for 2025. If you're new to this or just need a little refresher, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step to make sure you get it right. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to your browser and type in yourdomain.com/wp-admin. This will take you to the login page. Enter your credentials and log in. Once you're in, we need to install a plugin that will allow us to duplicate posts. Let's go to the plugins section in your dashboard and click on Add New. Here, you'll have the search bar at the top right. Type in Duplicate Page or Yoast Duplicate Post. These plugins are commonly used and highly recommended for their ease and functionality. Once you find it, click Install, and don't forget to hit Activate once it's done installing. This step is crucial because without activating the plugin, it won't be available for use. Next, let's head over to the Trips section in your WordPress dashboard. This is where all your WP Travel Engine content lives. Click on Trips and then All Trips. Now comes the fun part: duplicating your trip post. Scroll through the list and hover over the trip you want to replicate. You'll notice options like Edit, Trash, and most importantly, Clone or Duplicate. Click on one of those options. This action will create an exact copy of your selected trip. With your trip successfully cloned, you might want to make some changes to the new version. Find the duplicated trip in your list. It's usually labeled with Copy or something similar to differentiate it from the original. Click to open it. Here, you can update details such as the title, price, or images to better suit your needs or audience. Customizing these elements can be a great way to freshen up your offerings or tailor them for specific campaigns. Once you've made your edits, it's time to save your changes. Simply look for the Update button and click it. Congratulations, you've successfully duplicated and customized a trip post on WP Travel Engine. Using this method, you can efficiently manage your travel content, ensuring you always have fresh and relevant trips ready for your website visitors. As technology and tools continue to evolve, keeping your skills sharp with little tasks like these will ensure that you stay ahead and make the most out of your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped streamline your process for duplicating posts on WP Travel Engine. Happy traveling!